got these two clamps. As you can see, you want to lift up right there on the bottom, top piece, and then you go across the bottom. Be sure to grab it with your finger coming out, just like that, and you'll be good to go. Put that in your pocket. Repeat the same process for this one. Pop up on the top. Now you can pull it out. Okay? Put it in your pocket. And now that you got these covered, make sure you always keep that covered like that so you won't risk the chance of shorting out your battery. Next, what you want to do is you got a bolt here, a Phillip head bolt, and another Phillip head bolt. So what you're going to do is get you some vice grips or pliers, at least to break them a little bit, you know, because they are bolted on there pretty tight. So once you break it, you get your screwdriver. Be nice to have a magnetic screwdriver like this, and you loosen up your bolts. Make sure you find a good spot to put your bolts. I will be collecting those bolts. Only got one hand right now. Now that you got these two bolts moved and that bolt moved, next what you're gonna have to do, now your whole assembly comes out as a whole, just like that. Next, what you got is your battery cable is gonna be in the way. So before taking this out, I'm gonna let you all know now, do not try to pull this out with this in the way as of right now how it is. You are gonna need at least a little snip or some baby clip pliers like this to snap that O-ring. I mean, not the O-ring, but the tie down that's right there. Basically what I did with these. Okay, so snap it that way I can make this wire free. Right here on the mass airflow sensor, as you can see, there's a little clamp right here. Lift or press this button right here. Press that button to release it, to reinstall, put it back on, same way. Now I'm going to take this off and I'm going to pull this wire over here and get it out of the way. As you remember, we already took out these bolts. Next, you want to do with your flathead is you want to loosen up this part right here. Once you loosen that up, it should free this part. Now you can go ahead and prep yourself going ahead and freeing this up. Y'all bear with me, I got one hand. So once you get that freed, now you see how it getting stuck just like this. Remember, I already loosened up bolts, so stuff gonna be a little loose. Try to help the video go a little easier. As you can see, if you try to pull it up, you can't. So next, what you want to do, you want to remove your battery. Got to get this big boy out. Alright, so remove this battery. Like I said, we already took off the clamp. Pick this battery up. Alright, now that we got the battery out, as you see, we got our plate here. You want to make sure this plate is down in there. Next, what you want to do, you have two bolts here and a bolt there. Okay? So what you're going to do, you can get you like a 10mm socket or something, or get some vice grip or pliers. Loosen up these bolts. Once you get the vice grip or pliers, loosen up the bolt, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Always remember that. Like I said, I already pre-loosened these bolts, so I can screw mine out right now. So that's basically what you want to do right now. Screw these out. Now that you got those two bolts, place them in a safe place where you can find them at. Now it's time to deal with this baby. As you can see right here, now that you got these bolts loosened, you can slide it over. So all you gotta do is slide it over this way. Now with it slid over that way. Try two things. Let's get this up. There we go. About, as you can see, the entire airbox is out of there now. You see that part. Now, with that being said, you want to place this with the rest of your parts on the ground. In here, I am going to be modifying a couple things with the airbox. As you can see, you do have a part where it's breathing. It's getting air from the bottom also. So we got to find out where that leads out to. Another thing is right here. As you can remember in the beginning, it was flat right here. Okay, we're thinking air's coming in from the outside. I'm thinking it's a clear cloud, but no. I understand they designed it a certain way so the airflow can travel a certain way, but we're going to be taking this out, cutting this piece out, and creating a nice little airflow pocket right there. And figure out how we're going to get the grill off, because in order to cut this piece out right here, we got to get this grill off. So bear with me. I'm gonna take these 4 clamps out, and we're gonna start working on trying to get this grill out. Alright guys, as you can see right here, I cut out the area like I told you I was gonna do. Basically what you're gonna do right now is like I did. I don't have the proper tools, so don't judge me. So I got this. So basically I cut the side, cut each side, and cut in the middle, and I bent down like this towards me, bent down each side until it broke off into maybe about this high. Then I came to the side like this, bent it down. It's an automatic crease right there, so it's automatically gonna fall off. Once I bent that down, I clipped it off, clipped each much as I could, and then I went behind it with my drill here, as you can see. Now shoot, that's it. Hey man, we're CountryBoyModz around here, man. That's how we do stuff. We do stuff the country way. All my country people, you'll know what I'm talking about. But that's it. That we're gonna check out a little bit later, probably another video. But as of right now, we got these situated. Another thing on this airbox, what I'm gonna try out for myself, I'm gonna let you guys know, each chamber on this intake tube has a hole. Each chamber has a hole. So I'm gonna try it out on my vehicle. I'm gonna see if it makes a difference. Because like I say, this is CountryBoyModz. I'm willing to do anything. It's my vehicle, I'm paying for it, I'm fully warranted, so I'm good on that. I'm gonna cover up each hole using them like a lighter or something. Yeah, use a lighter to melt each hole. I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. I might get a piece from this area here, melt it on to cover up the hole. We're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna try one area and I'll get back with y'all. So check this out. So basically the lighter trick didn't work. As you can see, what I used to seal up those holes on the back, I'm letting it dry as of right now. I use clear seal sealant, liquid nail sealant, clear seal. I used that, put it on each hole, covered it up, as you can see on the back of this intake. Each chamber, I'm trying to make this a full intake. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is and inside this chamber here, which I'm probably not gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna do it, but I'm thinking about doing it, which I probably will go ahead and do it, but I wanna take this area out. I wanna cut that part out right here, which I'm probably gonna do that next. I am gonna do it. What the heck? I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm gonna cut that out next. And let's see how it rolls. So what you want to do is you want to clean all this up, clean it out. I mean, it's not the best job, not the most perfect job. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit better off camera. So you guys bear with me. And basically this is what I did to modify the inside of the air intake. So we're gonna see how all this rolls.